Hey there! Are you interested in discovering a unique solution that can help you make extra money online? Well, let me introduce you to From $5 to $100 Spectra's Native Ad Secrets. This comprehensive document holds all the full instructions you need to create profitable ad campaigns using native ads. Now, what makes this system stand out from the rest? It's simple. Spectra uncovers high-converting ads on popular native ad traffic sources, leveling the playing field for everyone. With step-by-step training and done-for-you templates, it cuts down hours of research, allowing you to reap the benefits in no time. But don't just take my word for it. Our users have reported making three-figure profits in as little as 24 hours. Imagine waking up to sales of $148.20 and an ROI of over 333%. That's the power of Spectra. So, if you're ready to finally discover the secrets of native advertising and start turning that $5 investment into $100 plus daily, from $5 to $100 score, Spectra's Native Ad Secrets is the answer you've been searching for. Now, here's the exciting part. I'm offering you free access to these life-changing instructions. All you need to do is like this video and drop the word instructions in the comments. That's it. Once you do, I'll send you access for nothing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your online ventures. Take action now and unlock the full potential of Spectra's Native Ad Secrets. Would you like free access to From $5 to $100 plus Spectra's Native Ad Secrets? If you'd like me to send you these free instructions, here's what you need to do. Number 1, like this video. And number 2, drop the word instructions in the comments. If you like this video and comment, I'll send you access for nothing.